The opportunity to send one of my teaching staff on a year-long course to be immersed in the Welsh language was a brilliant opportunity for her. In terms of the school, she's come back and her presence and her Welsh expertise is now going through Key Stage 2 in the school. We're running the Charter Iaith and she's helping deliver that through the school. And I hope that opportunity is sustained going forward. Teachers need to be out for a long period of time to learn this language.
Clwch mandra dwi, mae hi'n wythnos 2 a dwi'n teimlo yn dda iawn, yn cyffroes iawn, achos it's going great. We've learned so much already. I can't believe it's just been 2 weeks. It's been amazing. I've really enjoyed the course and enjoyed having loads of fun with everybody. Llawer o hwyl a sbri.
Mandra ydw i, rydw i'n dysgu blwyddyn 2. Hwda bawb.
Hwda, Mandra.
Sut ydych chi heddiw?
Iawn, diolch.
Faint o'r gloch yw hi? Tic-toc, tic-toc. Faint o'r gloch yw hi? Tic-toc, tic-toc. Faint o'r gloch yw hi? Mae hi'n amser cel. Mae hi'n amser cel. Tic-toc, tic-toc. Faint o'r gloch yw hi? Da iawn bawb arddygol. Anhygoel, da iawn. Wel, nôl dy wers heddiw ydy trafod y lluniau gan Helen Elliot. Ydych chi'n cofio'r wythnos diwetha pan oedden ni'n trafod am Helen Elliot? Ydyn? A trafod am y llun hwn?
Yn y dyfodol, dwi eisiau dwi'n bwriadu parhau fy ngwaith prosiect ysgol yn ysgol Penrose i barhau datblygu'r siarter iaith ac dysgu Cymraeg dros y cwricwlwm. Ces i amser da ar y Cwrs Sabothol. Dwi wrth fy modd gyda fy nghynnedd ac hefyd dwi wrth fy modd yn gwneud llawer o ffrindiau newydd ac hefyd roedd y tiwtoriaid i gyd yn arbennig o dda. Bydda i eisiau gweld nhw yn y dyfodol. Diolch yn fawr am popeth. Hwyl.
The impact of the courses we've been on in the school has been profound. We're now having children in the dosbarth Cymraeg coming from non-Welsh speaking homes, conversing in Welsh every single day, and our staff, our non-Welsh speaking staff, are speaking in Welsh frequently in the day. In terms of standards, the language is living through the school. You offer us an expertise that we need in the schools.